Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have made videos about how you can book a passport submission appointment in Canada. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually cancel it. So basically what happened with me, like for one of my family members, I had booked an appointment at Guelph Center, but today I was in North York for some other purpose, and I found and luckily I had documents with me. So I found I could go to North York Passport Application Center and I could submit, and I did that. So that's why I cancelled the application appointment over there so that somebody can get it. So what happens, like when you book an appointment, you get an email like this. Okay, some portions I have removed for privacy reasons. You see there's a link cancel booking. So that you have to click. It will come to this page, okay, and it will be auto populated with the last name, but you need to confirm of the applicant. Click on submit. You will get a message like this: your appointment has been cancelled. And also you will get an email. Okay, so I had booked it at Guelph, but it were it was done. So that's how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.